With La Crosse Truck Center, Mack and Isuzu in La Crosse, Wisconsin. This is our 2019 Mack Granite set-up quad-axle dump truck. It has a Mack 455 horsepower MP8 engine with a Mack M-Drive HD 13-speed automated transmission with creeper gear and multi-speed reverse. It has a 20,000-pound steer axle, 13,200-pound steerable pusher axles, 46,000-pound Meritor rear axles with 373 gears, full lockers, hung on a Mack 46,000-pound air ride suspension. It's 241-inch wheelbase with single-channel frame rail. The body is a 19-foot, 6-inch Bebo BFL-S dump box with standard lift tailgate, tarp, and vibrator. It also has an asphalt tail, rear hitch plate with electric and air for a trailer setup. On this side you can see we have a 8.7 gallon DEF tank, a D-shaped line 93 gallon diesel fuel tank, side mounted batteries with remote jump posts. On the exterior you can see we have chrome, heated power exterior, bulldog stylized mirrors, chrome exterior trim with a stainless steel clad aluminum front bumper and cab guard. The hood is easy to open. With one hand you can open the hood and it stays open with a safety latch for wind. It has clear view fluid reservoirs, easy to see during any pre-trip or post-trip inspection. Here inside the truck, you can see we have the premium steel gray interior package. Has a leather wrapped tilt and telescoping flat bottom steering wheel with audio and cruise and radio controls. The truck has a Bluetooth stereo. You can connect to your phone for easy hands-free phone operation. You can also connect to your phone via music. There's a USB port up top, along with a phone holder for easy placement of your cell phone device while driving. Here you can see the Mack M-Drive Premium Gear Selector with manual and performance options, secondary gauge package, boost, transmission temperature, exhaust gas temperature, and brake application pressure. You can see a differential lock, inner axle lock, suspension dump valve, along with PTO and pusher axle switches. The truck is also equipped with a tractor package. And in the center here you can see the easy body controls for the dump body, tarp, and vibrator. This Mack quad-axle dump truck would be a great option for somebody looking for a rugged, long-lasting, and low-maintenance dump truck. With the Bebo BFL-S dump body, this truck is perfect for the sand, gravel, or any other light aggregates. The truck only has an empty weight of 27,420 pounds with a driver and a half tank of fuel. Contact me today if you're interested in this truck and would like to set up a time to see it in person.